Well, it's nice to look down and see so many familiar faces. Some are in my own family. I have to sing Kahalu because my nephew and my niece are sitting right there in front of me. I can't believe they're actually that close. Usually they run hide by the wall, you know. And some of you we saw down at the street fair. I see your faces right in front of me, and some of you came across the ocean. And some came very far, like from Japan. Our friends Yoshiko and Takeshi. Every time we would go to Japan to make music and we're in a rush to get to the airport, Takeshi was always volunteer to take us to the airport. This is a song I almost never play, but Takeshi said this was his favorite song, so we're going to share with you this Mende Aru for Waimanalu, place that I had stayed leased for a number of years where I had my horses. It really talks about the people that I spent most of my days with and how comfortable it is to be in the country living. So Takeshi, this is for you, okay? I'm not going to play my game afterwards. Oh, the mountains and wide, oh, the loveliest I've ever seen, just a clean sculpture, the reach for the heavens, in praise of God unseen. Here at Waimanalu, my heart longs to sing. You fill me with peace and all of the joy. Good country living away. Life seems too hard to bear, and the city leaves me angry and cold. Pack up myself and all of my dreams, and I head out to Waimanalu. All the folks there at Waimanalu are easy going kind. They laugh when they're happy, you know if they're not. There's never a doubt in your mind. My horses are fat and sassy. There's a goofy brown dog at my feet. We sit around the table where Pops tells his stories and Virgie cooks us something to eat. Life seems too hard to bear, and the city leaves me angry and cold. I pack up myself and all of my dreams, and I head out to Waimanalu. easy going time. They laugh when they're happy, you know if they're not. There's never a doubt in your mind. My horse is a fat and sassy. There's a moving from door at no feet. We sit around the table, the pops tell some stories. Virgie cooks us something to eat. Life seems too hard to bear when the city needs me every cold. I pack up my saddle and all of my dreams, and I head out to my with all of the love I feel for you. I'll sing this one old country song.